This video shows how to get rid of the XY plane selection as an input of a UDF. It happens, for example, in this simple UDF to create a cube centered on a point. The UDF contains a feature plane parallel to XY plane, which naturally becomes an input of the UDF. But if you add one intermediate line, passing through the same point and following Z direction, then redefine the plane to be normal to this line, the exactly same UDF will no more require XY plane as an input, and you save one interaction at instantiation, which is pleasant.